Hello friends, here is mega bundle of 3D effects. All files are Photoshop, but these are protected. Password in my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK by now for lifetime. All password in this app, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page. Okay, total folder is 56 and size is 8.23 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in 4 part. You can download in slow speed. Okay, and here is 3D luxury textile. You can edit it, and here is text effect, flash sale, water. I know you can do in Photoshop how to change anything, for example color, text, or any other thing. Jo toy coin promo. Open this one and mega sale, big sale, Black Friday, free delivery, just as police, killer, sport, scored, strong, sonic. Just click here. Now you need this font, Sheri. Control S. My name is here, and here is presentation text. You can edit it. Here is a shadow, you see, and here is a background. Click here. You can change it, depend your own choice. Okay, now Grandland's PSD, Christmas text, circuit 3D text, Dar magic game text effect. Okay, retrieve pencil sketch outline editable text, holochrome. So these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. Take care, Allah Hafiz.